Hi guys, welcome back to another Vlogmas video. This morning I slept in a little bit. I don't feel too well today, which sucks because I've been kind of feeling like I was getting sick and I started feeling better, and then this morning I woke up and my nose was stuffy again and I just feel a little bit congested. So, and it's really cold in my house right now. But that's why I have my cozy robe on, and I just put on these nice like long socks. They're from Pink. I'll show you guys. They're super cute and just cozy, and I love them, and they go super high, so it keeps my feet and legs cold. So hopefully I do get the slippers that I asked for Christmas, because like I told you guys, my feet are always cold. So yeah, I have shorts on. I always wear shorts to bed, and I have like my PJ shirt that I switch on and off. But yeah, I wear shorts to bed because I like to be cozy under like my covers. When I wear long pants, I just feel like every time I toss and turn, it's just really annoying. But yeah, so I'm not feeling too well, so I just threw this stuff on so I can be at least warm. And I'm going to make myself like a nice breakfast, and I'll probably make myself some green tea because that kind of helps me. You know, it's soothing, and I'll see if we have some lemon as well. So yeah, the morning is going to be really relaxing so that I can just knock whatever's coming out and just let my body rest, have some tea, just do everything to kind of take care of what could possibly be coming. So I'm going to have some eggs. And now I'm just going to take out the eggs that I need and put this back. Breakfast is ready. It might not look like it would be good, but trust me, it's so good. So I have my scrambled eggs. I put some cheese on top, the mini little tater tots, and I cut up some avocado with my everything but the bagel seasoning. Super filling and really good. It will hold me until lunchtime. And then since I'm trying to take in a lot of water today and just get a lot of fluids in my body, I'm gonna use this Starbucks tumbler, and I just fill it up with water. So I'm gonna try to drink a lot of these today, and then after I finish, I'm gonna make myself my green tea. I don't have the green tea that I normally have. We have this one, so this will do. I never had it, so we'll see if I like it the same. My tea is all ready. It's just still really hot, so I'm just letting it sit for a bit. Every time that I don't feel well in the morning, I like to, like I said before, have a really relaxing morning. So I'll have my tea, and I'm actually just gonna sit and watch my show, the gymnastics one, the one that's called Make It or Break It, that I like rewatched. I'm almost done with it already, but I just love to sit and like watch something, relax for a bit. I do have to study today before work, so after I've been relaxing for a while, I will go and study for my forensics final on Monday. I already started the study guide. I think I've showed you guys before, but I'm going to study that. I also just love the vibe right now. Just love the Christmas vibe. We still don't even have the decorations and the ornaments on the tree, which is so funny because Christmas is like literally around the corner, but I think we're going to do that this weekend. It's just because our tradition is we always put it up all together, and everyone's schedule is like really different, so it's hard, but I think we're gonna do that this weekend for sure.
Before you educate the head, try to educate the heart.
I just poured myself another cup of water. I had my tea, and yes, I'm still in my robe because I'm so comfortable. I'm going to make myself some lunch right now. I'm gonna have some avocado toast I had avocado with my breakfast, but it was just a little bit, like a couple of like the little cubes that I cut up. And I just love avocado toast, so I'm gonna make some of that. And then once I'm done with my lunch, I have to grind it out and study for my exam on Monday. That's my last like official like sit down exam format. Tuesday is my last official day, and I present my speech 5, and I hand in a packet of me critiquing like a speech that I saw. So yeah, that's Monday's like my last official exam, but then Tuesday's my last day presenting and like finishing up. So we're almost at the finish line. I hope you guys are all doing really well on your finals. Comment down below if you're done with school, if you are still taking exams, how you did on your exams, and I would love to chat about that down below. So yeah, let me go make myself some avocado toast. I have the avocado. Lunch is ready. I'm gonna watch my show while I eat and then get everything out so that I can start studying. Yeah, package that I ordered about 2 days ago just came in. I ordered a car mount for my vlogging camera, and I have Amazon Prime because of the trial that they gave me. So yeah, I have an exciting video coming. I feel like in every vlog I've been opening up a package. Alright, so the one I ordered, I'll link it down below because it'll be easy for me to find, and it is Sport Go. It was like the Amazon's Choice one. Another YouTuber that I watch used this and she recommended it, so I was like, perfect. But anyways, so this is what it looks like. It just goes and sticks onto the windshield, and then you put your camera on it. And it's good to go. The good thing about this one is pretty cool. It comes with other pieces for whatever type of, you know, thing you're using. It doesn't always have to be just like a vlogging camera. Like I know they have one for like the GoPro. So there's different ones that has different things to connect it to. So I found that really, really cool and useful, because if I ever were to get like a GoPro, which I do want one, these would be, you know, come in handy for anything. So that's pretty cool. And it was about $9.99. So I will keep you guys updated with how I like it and how it holds up. But it looks good so far. And this, I guess, you pull it down to like suction or whatnot. So I'm really excited. I just ran and put on my glasses. These are just my glasses for when I do work on my computer. I have different glasses that are just blue light, but these are my prescription because sometimes when I'm reading stuff like on a study guide, I need these. If I'm like watching TV or something, I can just use my other blue light glasses, but these are good for not straining my eyes when I'm reading things on like my study guide. So right now I'm going to sit here and study my butt off for my forensics exam that's on Monday. So yeah, usually my study method is printing out the study guide, but this is a lot of paper. Like this packet is huge, and I don't want to use our printer paper because I feel like that's just a waste of so much paper. And I would have printed it at school or something, but it's too late for that now because I didn't finish the study guide till a couple days ago. So yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna stick it out and do the highlighting on Google Docs, because there is like you can highlight and stuff and make notes, so it's no big deal. And then I also found a Quizlet that I'm going to be using, so I'm going to like sign into Quizlet. I'm going to sign into Quizlet, and then I'll be able to like take the test and everything, because a lot of this is stuff that's on the study guide. So once I sign in, I'll be able to take the test, quiz myself. There's little fun games and stuff on Quizlet, so it's a really good, useful method. Before I start getting ready for work, I just finished studying. I want to show you guys some amazing cases. So I've opened them up for you guys and did like an unboxing when I first received them, but I've been using one for, I don't know if it was 2 weeks or more, I don't really remember, but this case has held up so well and I really am loving them, like loving this one. And I have 3 more, so I'm actually going to switch one today for another one, but I wanted to talk to you guys about them because they are really great and just really good quality. I've dropped this phone already a couple of times, even yesterday. Like I was thinking about it, when was it? Yeah, I think it was yesterday or the day before. I was doing something in my room and it slipped and it fell. I think I was editing a video and I was like, oh crap, like and I just like, nothing happened to it. The case was perfectly fine. It didn't like damage the case, did not crack my screen protector at all. It's still in really good condition, so it goes to show that this case is really protective. And I really just like how they are designed. If you can see here, it kind of goes up in the corners, which is really nice. So if your phone does fall, it kind of falls on there and the impact goes towards the edges and your phone doesn't take the impact, which I really like. So this one right here is the Fusion. I'm going to read you. Fusion. Yeah, it's just called the Fusion iPhone case, and this one is in the green. And I have one in lavender, and then I have one in clear, and then and that one's matte. The clear one is matte, and then I have one, just an Air iPhone case that is also clear, and these are all from this brand right here. I will have all the cases that I have linked down below if you guys want to go check it out. I highly recommend it. They're from Amazon and they sent it to me, and I've, like I said, been using it and I really like it. When my phone fell, I was like, this just goes to show, because I've dropped it a couple of times, but I think yesterday or the day before really hit me. I was like, I just dropped my phone again and nothing happened. So I really like how they are. So I'm actually gonna switch. I think I'm gonna do the clear one today, or like for the next however long I want to, because I've had this on for a bit now. So, you know, a little good switcheroo. And they're just super durable and they just feel like such good quality, which I really like. So I think I'm gonna do the Fusion matte clear one. And they have this brand has other things too. They have like the little card holder that you put back here. So they have that as well. So I'm gonna slip this one in. It's just clear and it is matte. Slip it right in, super easy. And same thing, the ridges go up in the corners, so really nice. I like the clear look as well. I don't know, something about it. So yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys about the cases that I've been loving lately. So definitely go and check them out down below if you are looking for a good case, because I highly recommend after using it for a while. I approve. Once again, in my car on my phone vlogging because I'm heading to work. Super rainy outside. Literally, I hate driving in the rain. I just want to be home like I was this morning. But I hope you guys enjoyed this VLOGMAS video right here. I'm going to end it off. And it was just a really relaxing, chill morning because it was like my little sick routine this morning. Hopefully I feel better and doesn't get worse. And I'm also really proud of myself for studying for my final. I'm going to do some more studying this weekend. Well, I have to because it's Monday. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow.
Flying high like the birds and the bees, and we'll fill the sky with the songs and the trees, 'cause we're buzzing.